We will see how to install and configure the Ezoic plugin to monetize a website using the Ezoic WordPress plugin. So all you have to do is to open your website and go to your plugins. In plugins, go to add new, and there search for the for Ezoic. Here you have the plugin. Then click on install now, and this plugin will actually help you monetizing your website. Then activate it. And that's not it. Once the plugin has been installed on your website, you will have to configure it. That's very important. So go to settings. And here in settings, you must check that you are cloud integrated. So this is done usually when you were on the Ezoic dashboard, when you install it. You can use Ezoic Leap to make sure your site is going as fast as possible. In ad settings, you can check how are the placeholders going. So here you have all the placeholders that advertisement placeholders that have already been generated. So most of them have been generated automatically using the Ezoic corresponding button. Then check the CDN setting, and here in the CDN setting, it's important to put your Ezoic key. So here on Ezoic dashboard, navigate to setting here, then find the API here, and activate this Ezoic plugin if you have not activated it yet. Then copy your API key and simply paste it here. And you can check the other options such as automatic recaching. So when your post of page is updated, the cache will be updated. So this is important, and we will activate it. You can eventually always clear something. For example, we want to automatically clear the home from the cache whenever we update a page, because when we update a page, we want this page to be shown first on the home page as the latest updated page, and it will help this page to rank better. And also clear the Facebook share cache when we do some update. So these are the kind of basic settings that you can do. Oh, you need the Facebook. Okay, so let's not do the Facebook for now. Okay, so yeah, and if you check the advanced options, you can also output debug messages when needed, but it's better not doing it if you don't know that you need it. Then, if we go to the speed settings, here you can also improve, like update a few options if needed to hopefully improve your page loading time and your website efficiency. For example, you can remove emojis, have schemaless URLs for JavaScript and CSS files, remove jQuery migrate, remove feed links, remove RSD links, remove WLW manifest links, remove adjacent post links, remove WordPress version number, remove short link, and more. So these are simple options. And finally, in advanced settings, you can disable the WordPress integration. So this will disable the default WordPress integration when you are not on Ezoic Cloud integration. So it is recommended to use the Ezoic Cloud if you have a content website and your website is not dynamic, which is the case of most evergreen content websites. And also verify SSL to make sure that your website is using SSL. That's what you have to do, and simply save the settings, and you can just wait for your website to start monetizing and to improve the monetization. So once this is done, what you can do is go here to Ezoic dashboard, open the analytics, and on the analytics, once the whole configuration will have been done, you will be able to see the visits and everything in real time. So it is not the case for this website now, because it has somehow just been installed and not everything is working yet. So for example, if we open it in a new window and we just open a random article, blah, check it. If we go to Big Data Analytics, normally we should be able to see the traffic in, which is not the case yet as the site is being integrated. However, it will be coming. So if you are not yet using Ezoic, the link is in the description to submit your website and start optimizing your website speed and monetization and ranking on search engines and much more using the free tools and plugins from Ezoic. Let us know how it works out for you and in comments, and good luck with your website monetization.